This is the new design of the bubble removal machine. Before, many customers feedback that because usually we use the 4 screws here and it will worn out very easily, so that is not good for the safety issue. And now we have designed a new door with this one, and it will not use the screws anymore, which can keep your operators more safer. And see here, you can just turn it and then it will open, and then you lift the lid and then close it. That is fine. And also here, there is a safety button here. See, why it has pressure, it will come out to protect the door here, and once there is no pressure, it will go down. Like we can show you how it works. So here, 看这个啊，下面也看啊。对。过来看一看。Now it has pressure to coming out, and here this button it goes up, come out already.
关掉。
Okay, see, it goes down, so that it will be ready for you to open it. And also there is no other changes for this one. It will only need the power line on the bottom with the 220 voltage, and also connect with the air compressor. So the purpose of this new design is for the safety issue for our customers. So if you find this one it is more safer and more convenient for you, you can contact with us directly.
可以了。